What's up, y'all? On today's vlog, I'm making some changes to the Hellcat. I got my boy Chino over here. He's wrapping my roof for me and my trunk. So we're blacking out the roof just so we can have that blackout look on the top. And we forged carbon wrapping my trunk to match my hood. Don't cook me about the wrap on the trunk, but this hood not wrapped. Just to let y'all know, this real forged carbon. They don't make forged carbon yet for the trunk, but just to have that look, I didn't want to wrap it black, so I'm just gonna wrap it forged carbon for now till the trunk come out. Finally make it. As of right now, he's prepping, getting the trunk ready to wrap. As you can see, this is the forged carbon wrap right here.
Yes, sir. It ain't 100% match, but close enough.
We're gonna give y'all a little comparison real quick. It's not 100%, but it's the closest we're gonna get to the forged carbon. Like I said, this is wrap and this is real forged carbon, so it's definitely never gonna match. That's like trying to paint match your car. It's not gonna match.
Cracker got an AR, like he shooting schools up. Yellow wide body, Hellcat look like a school.
Alright, y'all, so my tuner just sent me over a new log. From the last video y'all seen us upgrading this car. We was remote tuning it the whole time because I'm still like getting the car to where I want it to be. And I'm not gonna put it on the dyno until, you know, I get whatever I want to get and put the power down. So yeah, so as of right now, I told him send me a new tune with what I wanted on there. So I'm about to upload a tune. He just sent it over, so I'm about to upload. As you can see, I sent you over V1C pops. So you know what that means. Flame tune. So yeah, I'm about to upload this flame tune. This is the mesh. Shout out to my tuner, mesh, Meech. Connect it first. The guides, the light on. Ready. Blanking. Takes a little while. Hopefully the car don't die. As y'all can see, these are all the tunes that we basically just log in. Like, he's sending me new tunes. I'm logging it to send it back to him to see how it is. You know, real tune stuff, not just a base map he send you and you upload. This is real tune. As you can see, 93 octane with pops. So, load that up to the car. Yeah, see the car going crazy right now. Lights flashing, shifters flashing. Yeah, we got 50 seconds remaining. So, yeah, so we just finished up. Getting ready to leave, but yeah, let me know what y'all think. Should I wrap the whole trunk or leave it two-tone the way it is? So basically I'm giving like with a panda look, kind of like, you know, so the whole top end is like black. I didn't want to wrap this carbon because, you know, that's just really like, you know what I'm saying, that's really right. So I just did that black, gloss black, my hood carbon, and wrap this to match my match my hood. So let me know what y'all think. Do y'all like that type of look, or should I just wrap the whole trunk forged carbon? Yeah, let me know in the comments down below. Let me know what y'all think. But right now, gotta do this. Check out this tune that we just uploaded and head to VIP because gotta go talk to him about some cars. They told me to come look at your car, so I'm about to head there and check out some cars and check out my tune. So y'all gonna see that. How's the car running, check out all the fuel ratio, air ratio, to make sure everything is good. So basically like as it was there on the dyno tuning my car, but this is the data logging. So the technology crazy now. Yeah, let me show y'all these pops. This is the first time y'all gonna hear it, first time I'm gonna hear it, so I don't know what to expect. I told her I don't want it too dramatic, so just like my track hawk, I didn't want it too dramatic. Fish Street probably the longest, like long blocks, right?
That should be hot though.
Be hot.
Yeah.
Like what? Traffic? Hot
No,
or like cops?
cops.
Hot? Fuck the
I mean, you could do it right here.
I mean, that joint not loud at all. So that's cool though.
Let him move up, and then you can do it behind him. Like, this is a nice little stretch. I got a stop sign though.
Sure, yeah. Wish we had a camera from the outside. Sound like a BMW. Sound like my M340. It don't sound that loud from outside, but I see everybody.
Take a right here. Double pull.
The joint just yanked.
Yeah, that joint. It was spinning though.
Yeah,
You can
that's
feel
real
it.
traction. That joint be sideways, yeah.
Yeah, that joint hook when you bang second. Just pulled up to VIP.
And my car is here. 2015 Jeep Rubicon. Yeah, this is a Jeep Rubicon we just fixed up. We're doing a motor mount now. Yeah, this bumper for a TSX, a 09 TSX that it is back here.
On the right
somewhere.
side.
On the right side. Yeah, I have a lot of cars here. This is one of my TSX right here. Guess he just got to paint the back bumper left. So he painted the whole one side already. And you seen the bumper was right there, so it's just bumper and grill on. He repaired this fender, and the whole one side got to be painted. This is about to be ready. By the time y'all see this video, it's probably will be sold by then. But this was the first giveaway Charger. That was my 2014 Dodge Charger. That was the first one, but kind of find out that one had a bad engine. This is my other TSX right here. White one, same damage. Getting front bumper, headlight, fix and paint it. That one right there. Two of my cars so far. I have a few cars here. Probably won't remember until I start seeing them. But this is my mom's car, BMW, that she took it to valet and came back and her front bumper was like hit, so we're getting that fixed for her. This is my truck, my daily actually. Is in here to basically get the whole front clip redone. I had like little scratches like this, and the bumper needed like paint, so that's what that's in here for. Back bumper and grill is right here. It's already done. They just basically got to get some body work and just repaint it. Just get the truck fresh, basically. So that's been in here for like 2 weeks now. Actually, that was 3 cars that I showed y'all, right? Yeah, that was 3 cars. So this is 4 or 5. This is my other Durango, V6 Durango. Okay, it's just a silent car that getting worked on right now. It does have a misfire. We're trying to figure that out. Yeah, my other Durango was that car number 5? 4? 5? 5. No, 6. Yeah, car number 6. Car number 7 is another TSX. Is a special edition model. If you don't know anything about the TSX, you can tell this is special edition model because they say have like red stitching. If you can see from right here, like the interior is like a two-tone leather with suede and it's red. They ask for like the steering wheel, like door panels, all the little features. This is a cool little feature. Yeah, TSX special edition model. Has a little wiring issue right now, so we're trying to sort that out. Sorry about with the ABS is throwing all these codes. This is the BMW 7 Series. They never got a chance to get to it yet, so still waiting on get to it. This car is mint. So if anybody want to buy it, let me know. Car is mint. Yeah, so the car is mint. As you can see, we got it detailed the other day. Interior is like pristine mint, actually. So basically, it runs and dries. It just have like a slight. He said it's like a vacuum leak. He just got to sit there and need a day to diagnose it. And this is my last car that's in here that I believe. And this is the car that y'all was waiting on. Everybody been asking to see this car and like what happened to this car, because everybody thought we was debatable about like what should we do with it. Like, should we part it out, get the money back, or fix it up? We did end up keeping the car, so it's here now. This is my $4,000 Srt Durango. Everybody thought it wasn't fixable, so we basically got a whole new radiator support, front cradle, which was like the subframe. And we fixed all the broken like pulleys, the oil pan, intake, throttle body, all the stuff that was broken in the engine from the front, from the Regg. We fixed it. We did score on a couple used parts, but a lot of parts was new. But yeah, so this is mostly it. Got the new hood, OEM fender. I try to stick with everything OEM, but like I said, I am doing the 23 conversion, so that's the only part that's aftermarket is the bumper. I couldn't find that OEM used because everybody was trying to charge the arm and leg, so I ended up buying the aftermarket. So that's what we ended up doing. But yeah, this is the car, new OEM subframe. We did get all like pulleys and everything fixed. Yeah, so what's left to do with the car, we did send it to the frame shop to get everything pulled, obviously. This was like tilted in, but we got that fixed. Only things left is to basically paint whatever needed to be painted and fix this quarter panel. It's not bad, to be honest. They just, you know, the guys just tie it up so they couldn't get to it yet. But basically just need to be pulled out. Whole car got to be sanded and painted. See if it starts. Car's dead and need a jump box. But it does run and drive. I did like test drove it. It was good. So basically what's left is to finish the body work. I did get the sunroof repaired. I didn't do the windshield yet because we was in a rush to send it to the frame machine. But gotta get the windshield fixed. 23 headlights in here, brand new. So difference is from that headlight, that got the LEDs. The older headlights, it didn't line up. But yeah, for the most part, this car is basically almost done. It's about to hit the road. Yeah, that's pretty much it. This is my 2018 Dodge Durango SRT that I bought from Copart for $4,300. That's my winning bid. And yeah, so all in all, everybody said I was spending tens of thousands on this car. Honestly, I got a lot of stuff used, so wasn't that much, to be honest. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you a couple clips, put a couple clips here, enjoyed a couple clips of process of building the car, rebuilding the car. Not a much, because like I said, it's at a body shop, so I'm not doing it myself, so I can't catch everything they do. But yeah, I got a couple clips that I'll list right here, and y'all enjoy that. We're at Credo.
You got one over here.
Oh yeah, did the engine. Got a new oil pan, timing covered. casing, whatever. And all new pulleys is back in. So yeah, that's basically a refresh on that. That's the engine right there. It's about to go in. Switching the whole interior today. Gutting the whole inside. Just because they had a broken glass, so just in case any mold or anything, took all the interior out, get it dirty, clean, and if y'all seen from the last video, they left like food in there and it got under. That's like dirty rice that made the car stink. This is the old carpet right here. Old carpet. The rear seats. The rest of the interior is here. Getting it all put out. All taken out to get it, have a detailer come clean the whole thing out. Yeah, it's still, as you can see, it got like, I'm saying, dirtiness, stinks bad. Seats is still in great condition. I just gotta clean them up. This is all baking soda, so I get that odor out. But yeah, if anybody interested in the seats, let me know. I have the whole set. It's very, very, very clean. Like no even like wrinkles or nothing. Usually you'll get wrinkles right there. But these seats is really clean. I'm just getting it cleaned up now. After we drop the engine, we just gotta send it out to get the frame pulled. Then basically start the body work. I forgot to show y'all that I did get the new 2023 Hellcat SRT bumper. So labor and everything, that was probably the most thing. But for like hood, fender, door, all my replacement parts, I probably only spent like $2,000, if that, with the radius support and everything. So did get a good find on that. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the Durango. I mean, yeah, that's pretty much it for all the cars that I got here today that's cooking up. Like I said, I do sell cars, so if anybody ever need cars, contact me. You can reach me at 707 Regg, that's my Instagram, or RSP Auto, that's my car selling page on Instagram. The car just got done. Let's take it on a test drive, make sure it's good. You can see, don't mind this, we're still fixing the car, so we gotta find an airbag for it. Aftermarket motor mount, so that's why it's vibrating so crazy. The alignment. That coffee noise? That's from the back or the front?
It's from the back.
What it vibrates so much for?
He's got some Hasports on his dome.
It's a real rad, dude. It sound like I got some Hasport mounts. So stiff as hell. Yeah, if you know, real racers, real street car guys know about it. Not no new Hellcat owner. I don't know nothing about Hasport mounts. I want to see an off-roading vlog on this car? We'll take this one off-roading. Yeah, it's just a noise from back there, but other than that, it feels good. Anybody would like to buy this car, everything's gonna be fixed. Next thing is left to fix whatever that noise is. Probably something small, something like clicking back there. But just need an airbag. About it, then it's ready to be ready for the new owner. It's a Jeep Rubicon. As you can see, the seat Rubicon, not the regular limited. Probably 20,000 the best offer. Let me know. Yeah, as y'all see, just gave y'all them little clips of the, you know, Durango being rebuilt. But yeah, that's the update of my 2018 Durango SRT that I bought from Copart. So if y'all like videos like that, me getting on good finds on Copart, rebuilding them, let me know. Or let me know what kind of type of content y'all like to see. Comment down below. But that's gonna wrap it up for this vlog. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.
Cracker got an AR, like he shooting stools up. Yellow wide body, Hellcat look like a school.